the Unicorn Kids Toys. Today we're opening the Little Sister and the Potty Toilet.
Little Sister and a potty toilet?
Yeah, because I got the message bookworm, but I accidentally put it in the trash.
That's alright.
Alright.
So you guys have, let's see what they look like. Sissy, can you show us what the new Series 3 Little Sister look like? Woo! You want to spin them, guys? Ah! Oh, I got it.
Let's begin with our Little Sister.
Alright, you guys, open up the Little Sisters.
I got bookworm and I got a green ball. Green ball.
And then we bought some of these funny toys today.
It's a toilet.
Hold on, what are these called? Flesh Force.
Yeah, like Hurricane
So we got a couple
Force.
Series 1 Flesh Force.
Or Hurricane
One toilet
Force.
with 2 fleshies. Ew. So here, let's wait on the toilets. Let's wait on the fleshies. We'll do the fleshies next. We'll do our
LOL.
Little Sisters now.
It will change color.
So what was your code, Elijah?
Bookworm.
Bookworm. Sissy, want to show everybody your new shirt? Shimmer and shine.
You're looking at it, right?
So pretty.
You're looking at it. Little sleeping baby. That's what I want to get. I think. What's your baby?
Yeah?
Porchamp. She calls Porchamp baby.
Need some help? Dig on me. Let's take a look at this. Are you ready? You want some help? I'll help you.
Let's open up my doll.
Alright, let's keep it going.
It's little VR cutie.
No way!
That's what Sissy got last time, so
Can I
I got
see
little
her?
VR cutie.
How cool! Little VR cutie.
I need big VR cutie.
Yeah.
We lost our first one, right?
No, we have her.
Oh yeah. Is she a duplicate? Oh, a backpack.
Pretty cool. Let's take a look at that backpack. Now this is probably my favorite accessory of any of the seasons. You guys see that?
Mommy, she got. Oh, she also got bookworm.
Yeah.
She got bookworm.
Maybe you guys got the same one by accident.
I got a controller.
Ooh, why don't you put it here and we can see?
Hey, we got the same one.
Very cool. Maybe we can get little VR cutie to stand up. Hi. Here we go.
Force. That's right. These are Flush Force, but I've never seen them before. But they look super funny. So what you do is you fill it with water. Shake it, baby. And then remove this plastic clue. And it shows you who you have inside. So you guys ready? So everyone take a potty. We're going to put water in the top. So can you take off the top of these? Like this. So you remove the top. Oh, there's a checklist inside, huh? Let's see if we can get this checklist out. Comes with a checklist. Flush Force. Alright, so take off your tops. Why'd you take off your top? You got your checklist ready?
Yeah.
So we can see who we got.
There's
All
a lot.
Flush Force. Flushy's roll call. Oh, Sissy's already getting into her, so we gotta relax. Hold on, Sissy. Hold on, baby. Alright, so let's take these off. Alright.
Even a fire in the hole.
Alright, let's take these off and we're gonna put water in them now, okay? You guys ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put a little bit of water in. There's that. Water. Alright, we're gonna put water in, Sissy. So put your top on, Elijah. Here we go. Alright, put your top on, nice and tight. Nice and tight. Shake it, baby. Shake them hard. Shake it, baby.
Mine's ready.
Hold on, keep shaking. Shake it, baby. Let's see. Alright, so Elijah, before you open it, let's see what they look like. Oh boy, so see, you can see them peeking out.
Ew.
So let's give it one more shake it, baby. Shake it, baby.
I want to shake it.
Alright, now we gotta remove this part so you can see him. Be careful not to get the water. You ready? See, so Sissy still looks like a little bit of a question mark. Oh, no, hers broke. Alright, so we're going to just dig her guys out. Look at how slimy. Alright, let's get these guys out and see who it was right. Okay, so see how it looks all slimy and sludgy?
I don't want to touch it.
Slimy and sludgy. Look at these guys.
It makes me want to throw up.
Yeah. And you gotta get these guys out. So who's brave enough to go in and get them out? You wanna try to get your guys out? Go ahead, you wanna try? Everybody's like, no way, Jose. You wanna try to get Alright, I'll try to get him
I
out.
want to go first.
Alright, let's try to get this guy out. You can feel him. Ew, it's so slimy. Ugh.
What is that?
Ew, I don't even know. Ew. It says lunch. We're gonna put him here.
I don't want to touch this. Ew.
There's one more in there. Oh, goodness.
Goodness
This
gracious.
one's shiny.
Goodness gracious, what is that?
this? I don't even know, but we're gonna put him next to it.
Ew, I don't
So
want
each
to touch
potty
it.
comes with 2 characters. Oh, yuck.
How about you take my guys
Alright, I'll
out?
take your guys out.
Ew.
And you gotta check on the checklist, see who we got.
No, there's no more.
Oh, who is this guy?
Okay.
Oh, wait, hold on, look at him.
What?
Oh,
Adam.
man. Alright, hold on, there's one more we gotta get out.
I can feel the sludge. Can I have it?
Oh my gosh, you guys. These are too much. So you want to check on your checklist, see what you got?
Where's my checklist?
Gotta find them, hold on.
Oh, it's right here.
There you go. These potty guys.
No,
Yeah.
it's not a checklist.
Alright, we're gonna have to check this out, but these are what we got. So what do you guys say?
Thank you guys. I hope you potty on over to my next video.
Potty on over to our next video,
Ew,
right?
even a barf bag.
Oh gosh. What do you think, Sissy?
So I got
Potty, that's right, potty on over.
Mommy.
We're gonna go through our checklist here, see who we got.
Mommy.
Look at these guys. Moldy dung digger.
Putrid parts.
Putrid part. Oh, you got double snap. Oh, all right. She's gonna check it for us.
Daddy.
All right, guys. Can you say bye, Sissy?
Bye.
Say see you soon in our next video.
Bye. Bye.